Both teams pwede na masab. Doon lang madali silang isa. Shot na 15. Down to 10. Basket down, foul number 27, pushing foul. Bonus free throw.
Cross man, cross. Claro.
Personal fouls, number 27. Bonus free throw for number 2. Complete. Shot at 15. Down to 10.
Nice ka!
Good. There's the whistle.
Okay, boss.
Foul jersey number 3. Second personal foul number 3. Team foul 1, shot up reset to 14. Ball's in traffic. Stolen. Number 2. So number 3. There's the whistle. Foul jersey number 17. Third personal fouls number 17. 2 free throws for number 3. First free throw good. Second free throw. Charity by number 3. Two points. Seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Substitution. Okay. Same ball. Shot clock 13. Stolen. Number 24. Easy basket. Shot by number 15. 2 points, number 2. Shot clock 15. Down 10. Out of bounds. Substitution. Ice, no good. Substitution. Flying sa foul. 17 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 15. 5. No good. Isol. Foul jersey number 2. Pushing foul. Substitution. Number 2, second personal foul. Team foul 2. Fourteen seconds to shoot. No good. Foul number 77, holding foul. Second personal foul number 77. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 24. Nice pass, 2 points. Foul number 77. Committed third personal fouls. Warning for penalty. Push miss. Shot clock 20 seconds. Bars, no good. Five minutes and 10. Bars for 3. 3 points. Number 24. At the 15. Good. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Ronnie score 68-58. All good. Left. There's the whistle. Foul number 17, pushing foul. Penalty is a referee. 4 minutes 23. Fourth personal fouls, number 17. Ito sabi. Take a shot. 4 minutes 23. Second free throw. Ronnie score 68-59. There's Iso. Foul number 19, flag and foul. Substitution. Number 19, third personal fouls, 3 team fouls. Time out, Avengers. Remain time 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Shot clock remaining 15 seconds. Avengers, usa na lang ang timeout. Avengers, usa na lang ang timeout. Push mix, duha. Back to the ball game. Four minutes and 14 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Four minutes. Shot clock 15. Down to 10. Foul jersey number 4, blocking foul. Penalty, Mr. Referee. Penalty.
Penalty na.
Inayara na penalty. Alright, free throw basket. Second free throw. Complete. Shot clock 15. Down 10. 3 points. Number 24. Shot clock 15. All good. Shot clock 15, 3 minutes. Shot clock 10. 2 points. Two minutes and 40 seconds. Tira 3. No good. Put back, wala. There's whistle. Jambol. Oh, inyo. Inyo. Wala blue. And 20. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Down to 5. Stolen. Last 2 minutes. Shot clock 15. 3 seconds. Violation. Remain time 1 minute and 55 seconds. Time up. Push knees. Remain time 1 minute and 55 seconds. Game. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Both teams, tagusan na lang ang timeout. Both teams, tagusan na lang ang timeout. Shot clock 15. Down to 10. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 19, pushing foul. Number 19 committed 4 personal fouls, warning for penalty. Second free throw. No good. Out of bounds. Shot clock 24 seconds. 24 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 15. Traveling violation. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining time. Tera, all good. One minute and 8. Shot clock 23 seconds. A minute, 2 minutes. Shot clock 14. Foul number 24. Penalty, Mr. Referee. Number 24, third personal fouls. Both teams on penalty situation. First free throw basket. Second free throw. Now this. Now takes the rebound. Shot clock down to 10. See Quinta. No good. 45. 40. Shot clock 15. Number 2, 2 points. 35. 2 points. 25 segundos. 2 points. 20 segundos. Foul jersey number 4. Penalty. Second personal foul number 4. This is 20 segundos. They charge by number 10. 15. No good. Out of bounds, 20 segundos. Congratulations, Bushmeats. Okay, best player of the game, wearing jersey number 17, won with 15 points.